Hello everyone, welcome and thank you very much for joining us. So I just wanted to start by giving a bit of a brief introduction to AIchemy. So firstly, our vision is sort of twofold, both to pioneer doing state-of-the-art research in the area of AI for chemistry, but also to help increase its uptake and to normalise the use of AI for chemistry. And we're looking at addressing these three key barriers here to success. So a lack of data standards in general and data curation and data availability for the AI community, which may be holding back chemistry relative to some other fields in being able to take advantage of AI. And also a lack of day-to-day collaboration between chemistry and AI researchers, and a lack of access to training and also the equipment needed to generate data or data sets themselves. So myself and Andy Cooper are jointly leading this hub. So it's jointly led by Imperial and the University of Liverpool. And then Ben Alston, who already spoke, and Chris Mellor are joint hub managers, with Chris being at Imperial and Ben in Liverpool. And then the rest of the leadership team includes Jeremy Frey, based in Southampton, Jackie Cole at the University of Cambridge, Katie Atkinson, Liverpool in computing, and Ruth, who's at Imperial in computing as well, Ruth Meisner. And then we have a broader set of co-investigators, 31 co-investigators in total across 9 different UK universities. And they come really from a range of different areas. So both experimental and computational chemists, but also many computer scientists. But all of them already work at the AI chemistry interface. And importantly, they go across the breadth of chemistry, so from drug discovery, small molecules, catalysis, and also materials. And so our vision is also to do work across all of those areas. We have many day one industry partners that are already on board and that we're already working with, but we will also be looking to extend these over the lifetime of the grant. And we have several different international academic partners, for instance, the Acceleration Consortium that's based in Canada, and we'll be doing some events and calls with them, as well as we're plugging into UK infrastructure in this area, as well as regional development. So we will work in AIchemy with existing ecosystems that are at the partner universities. So I'm sure most of you are familiar with the Materials Innovation Factory that's based at the University of Liverpool. It's a multi-million-pound facility with a lot of robotics, as well as technical support there, and is already working directly with industry there. And then at the University, Imperial College London, we have DigiFab, which is an institute we founded in 2021. Which is an institute for digital molecular design and fabrication, so it brings together automation and AI in the area of chemistry, and includes 3 different EPSRC funded automation facilities that I'll talk about a bit more in a moment. And we're also in the chemistry department at Imperial, co-located adjacent to IX, which is in the building on this central image on the slide. And IX itself is Centre for Applied AI and Science, and hosts Schmidt Future's AI and Science funding. So they currently have calls open for postdoc fellowships in that area. And there are many of them working at the AI chemistry interface already. And then finally, we are also working with PSDI, which is EPSRC funded physical sciences data infrastructure. Jeremy Frey in our leadership team is involved with that. So they're aiming to assist research in the physical sciences by providing a data infrastructure. And you can find out more from their website. And obviously data infrastructure is a real key part of enabling us to be able to do more AI in chemistry. So in terms of specific facilities that we plug into, at Imperial, we have several different automation facilities, and we'll be discussing, and particularly going forward in the future, talking about ways people can second and make use of these. So at Imperial, we have RAW, which is led by Professor Min He. In chemistry, it's the Centre for Rapid Online Analysis of Reactions, focused more at the small molecule level and automated batch and flow reactors and looking at reaction kinetics. We then move on at material scale to Atlas, which is led by Professor Kim Jelfs in the Department of Chemical Engineering, and he can do automated synthesis and process development, automated batch reactions and sample preparation, and also offline high throughput characterization, and that's both for molecules and materials. And then finally, we have Digibat, which is led by Professor Magda Teterici, who is also based in chemical engineering. So Digibat will be coming online. This is more, again, focused at the materials application scale, particularly for batteries, and also sustainable fuels, and again, allowing automation of synthesis, as well as testing and integrated workflows. Now I'll hand over to Andy Cooper, who will talk about the facilities at the University of Liverpool.
Thank you, Kim, and thank you also to everybody for attending today. So, say something about the facilities in Liverpool. We have 3 facilities which are directly relevant here. There's the open access facilities in the Materials Innovation Factory, and as Kim said, that's already industry facing and used quite heavily by external industry. We have an autonomous robotics lab, which is more about focusing on new types of robotics, mobile robotics, other robots for use in chemistry, catalysis and chemistry. And then we have the Digital Innovation Facility, which is actually covering a wide range of digital technologies, not only related to chemistry and materials, basic foundational AI and data security technologies, but there's a part of it which is devoted to development of lab robotics, that's sort of more hard robotics. Basically, we have a range of robotics from things that you can come and use right now in a catered way to new experimental platforms which are being developed.